Hey, this is Carol. I hope I got your email, and I thought it'd be faster if I just made you a short video. I'm assuming you're looking at this, which is what's due today. And so you're looking at Chapter 2, and we just want to find Chapter 2 in the Weebly. That's your direct instruction. So popping over here to the Weebly, let's go up here and click on CWID Gaming, and then Chapter 2. So the first part I'll give you is an overview of the chapter. The objectives is pretty much it here. Then I give you this PowerPoint, which is a summary where you can flip through and kind of hit the main points of the chapter. And then instead of me talking at you, I found videos that I think convey the information in a little bit more interesting way. And so I've embedded those right here. So you'll want to watch each one of these videos. And that really helps you start understanding what critical thinking is. And then you can start thinking about how am I going to use critical thinking in college and beyond in my career. And so down here I found 2 videos where critical thinking in the gaming environment is discussed. And I really like this panel because these 3 guys talk about what it really means to work in gaming. I think they give a very authentic look at what it is to be a gaming professional, as well as this guy here. So that is the essentially the same as coming to class. From there, you're going to go back to your Blackboard. And you have 2 journals due. So if we go over here to journals, then here's your problem solving journal and your game development journal. And so problem solving is where you're thinking about how do you identify a problem, come up, reflect and evaluate the problem, how can you attack the problem? How can we overcome the problem? And then that leads you right into step 3, brainstorming ideas for fixing the problem or overcoming the problem. And then give me actual steps you're going to take to overcome the issue or solve the problem. So this journal should be at least 4 paragraphs. Each one of these should be a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph. Identify a problem that you're currently being faced with, reflect and evaluate the problem. What are the weaknesses and strengths that you have to apply to a problem, to fix a problem? Brainstorm my ideas. Give me a couple of different ideas or ways to start handling the problem. And then 4, which is really critical, give me actual steps. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. And that's how you're going to overcome this specific problem. So it's a half page to 3/4 page, 200 to 500 words, at least 4 paragraphs. And that's the problem solving journal. Okay, and the other journal you're going to work on is game development. And so here specifically we're talking about critical thinking in a gaming environment. And if that's not the focus, like you're doing nursing or something else, just change it to nursing or whatever your focus is. So each one of these would be a short paragraph, so more like 3 sentences, give or take. I wouldn't go 2, that gets a little lean, so I'd say like 3 or 4 sentences, and talk about each one of these points. So this one is going to be probably 3/4 of a page minimum, with 6 paragraphs, each paragraph talking a little bit about each one of these aspects of critical thinking in a gaming environment. All right, in a nutshell, that's how you want to go through each week. I hope this helps, and shoot me an email if you have more questions and I can clarify. All right, thanks. Bye.